Outstanding design defines the 2009 Pontiac Solstice. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle glistens in the crowded convertible segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. The following features are included: delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and much more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.